India is a nation on the rise, brimming with potential and driven by a collective ambition. It is on the path of becoming the Viksit Bharat. As our Honorable Prime Minister believes, India grows when states grow. The NITI for States platform is a step towards this vision. To aid this vision, NITI Aayog has created the Viksit Bharat Strategy Room. This digitally enabled, immersive discussion and decision-making space encompasses a multi-sectoral repository of policy, data and best practices from across the nation. It also deep dives into the 112 aspirational districts and 500 blocks. The Viksit Bharat Strategy Room can be accessed, replicated and contextualized by the state governments, districts and blocks. Make informed choices, backed by robust data and diverse perspectives. Solve problems creatively by learning from successful examples. Leverage cutting-edge tools like the PM Gati Shakti area-based planning tool. Data sets, offering users the ability to delve into 1,500 plus data sets spanning across 10 sectors. Viksit Bharat Strategy Room leverages the expertise of various government partners. National E-Governance Division, NEGD, National Data Analytics Platform, NDAP, BISECN, Bhaskaracharya Institute of Space Applications and Geoinformatics, DPIIT, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, and Bhashini. Soon, the Viksit Bharat Strategy Room is poised to become a multilingual, speech-enabled, AI-driven, first-of-its-kind discussion and decision space in India. Viksit States for Viksit Bharat.